Hello friends, welcome back to part 3 of working in the source monitor. For this, we're going to go through a couple other buttons that you'll find in your source monitor. Um, the first one is going to be your still frame. If there is, a single frame of the clip that you'd like to use for maybe a thumbnail or to, overlay, create a picture-in-picture or whatever with just the graphic, you can use the capture still frame button in the source monitor. So that button is going to be the far right of the default, and it is simply just the camera, right? A camera that you would take an actual still digital picture with. If you click that button, you'll get the export frame window. You can save it as a different file type name. You can save it as a different format, and then tell it where you would like to save it. And also go ahead and have it imported back into the project if you would like to actually keep it and use it in the project there. The other two buttons are going to be ways to put your clip into your sequence. So this is kind of an extension of part 2 where we talked about the insert edit and the overwrite edit. But for those, that would move everything of the clip into the sequence. All right, that would be the video and the audio. All right, the source monitor has two buttons that allow you to move either just the video or just the audio into your sequence. All right, so on my timeline here, I have my countdown to rocket launch file. You can see that this has both video and audio. And it's also loaded into my source monitor there to show you how to drag just video, just audio. All right. So looking at your source monitor, there are two buttons directly underneath your playback, above kind of a miniature timeline. All right. And these are your video only, audio only. Your video only is going to be like a film strip, and then the audio only is going to be the waveform of an audio file. Right. To do those, all you're going to do is left click and hold down on whichever one that you want to insert first. So I'm going to put just the video in first, drag it over to my timeline here and drop it. And you can see that the same file has been added, but this time it is just the audio. All right. And to put just the audio of my rocket launch, countdown to rocket launch file, same way. This time, I'm going to left click and hold down on the audio waveform, drag down till you get to the A1 track, release it. All right, and it has just the audio instead of the video. Those are the final buttons in our source monitor. Thank you for stopping by.